So this is it. You're gonna start at bees.social, right? This is to get notified. If you're here a couple days early, you can come over here and pop here. But this will either continue to say enter a hive, or it will say join
the exchange.
Join the exchange. Right. I think that's what it's going to say. So you click there. When that happens, everybody, that would normally ask you to sign into your MetaMask. Right there, what I did. I just want to make sure. When I click this, normally what would happen is this MetaMask would pop up, and then you would have to enter your password. So you would click there, enter your password to MetaMask. Mine's already hooked up. You go to here, exchange. This, you can use any 4 of these assets. This is a stable coin, USDC. This is DAI, another stable coin. USDT, another stable coin. And Ethereum. Those are the 4 assets that you can use to purchase M2. All right. Then down here, just like these are the 4 coins that are up here. Okay. There will be one more. It'll say M2. All you'll do is click M2, put in the type of currency you want to use, and you'll put in whatever, 12, whatever. And then there you go. You'd get your M2 by swapping. It'll put it in your MetaMask. And now you are a proud owner of M2 Cash. That's how easy it's going to be. So don't get all wired up. This is going to be a very simple move, and we'll all get in Wednesday or Thursday.
What fees will be when you make that exchange?
It will be Ethereum. Same thing, gas fees from the Ethereum, right? Ethereum exchange. It's all done.
Well, you have that little gas station up at the top up there, so people can gauge what the fees are going to be. So
you'll see it's pretty low still, right? But we'll never know. We do not know what the.
Right, we don't set those gas fees.
Almost did all 5s. Look, it just changed. Look at this one, 2020, 25, 20. This is good signs, everybody. Good signs.
So the point is on the gas is that when you guys are putting your value in the USDC or whatever your cash is, make sure that you leave enough left over in your ETH account,
right,
to be able to pay those gas fees. And you can come in here and play with this and figure out what you need to do, with what you have.
And that's even this too. You're right, Patrick. If you went into as a stable coin, you better have Ethereum to pay gas. If you have one of these 3 coins, right? Oh, this light one down 10. If you have one of these 3 coins, then you will need some Ethereum. And I mean, I don't know. I would say $50 to $100 to be safe. I don't know. I'm just saying. But $50 to $100 of Ethereum if you're going to use any of these other coins, and then you'll have plenty.
It doesn't matter then. Let me just point this out: that if you're starting out with $100, you can buy $100 worth of M2 Cash,
right,
or $100,000 of M2 Cash.
That's right.
When you come in here on Thursday. And you could do the same thing, and your gas fees are still going to be under $150.
Yes,
there's no ratio, proportion, or anything like that. So the guy who pays 100 pays the same amount as the guy who buys 100,000 more.
That's exactly right. It has nothing to do with the amount. It has to do with how difficult the transaction is. There's a lot of different things. When we're going into pools, when we were doing this for these hives, this was different. These going into here is quite different. This has a lot of these things are going out. You guys remember when we were doing this before? We were going to like 4, 5, 6, 7 different websites, and that's all the different. That's how difficult the transaction is. So that's what you're paying, not about how much you're spending, right? And also another thing, a factor that comes in.
Look at that, awesome.
Another factor that comes in is how many people are doing it at the same time. Transactions of the different ecosystem, right?
Right.